Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and any tools you might need, like a small flathead screwdriver if your old blades have a locking tab. Make sure your Camry is parked safely, the engine is off, and the parking brake is engaged. This ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be cautious not to let the arm snap back, as it could damage the glass. Look for a small tab or button near where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the hook. Repeat for the other side. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Remove any protective covers from the new blades. Align the new blade's attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly. Finally, test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance. They should move smoothly and clear the windshield without leaving streaks or making excessive noise. For optimal visibility and safety, it's generally recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or when you notice signs of wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.